Yo, excuse me.
Oh,
Excuse
hi,
me.
yeah, I'm listening to the Bowel sounds by the Colon.
No.
Oh, my fit's from Gucci. My Rolex is from Rolex.
Oh, nice, but that's not what we're here for. Guess the diagnosis.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so Charlie presents to you after playing football in the emergency department with shortness of breath.
Okay. When does it come on?
So it just came on playing football.
Okay. Was there any traumatic injury?
There was, he fell.
Pneumothorax?
Yes, oh no!
Wow. Wow, that's crazy.
Actually,
How do you want to treat them?
do they have any like previous condition, any like respiratory conditions?
No, they don't, no.
Okay, then we'll do a chest X-ray, look at the size, I suppose.
Awesome, nice.
Trachea, if it's deviated.
It's not deviated.
Okay, fine. Then it depends on the size.
Yeah.
Whether you put a chest drain or a, what is it?
Aspirate?
Aspirate. that's it,
Awesome,
yeah.
nice one.
Nice.
Awesome, thanks. Okay.
Thank you.
Nice.